In this video, I will show you how you can connect ElevenLabs to Lovable. So then you can generate AI voice audio inside your app. So firstly, you need to click on this plus button on this chat area and then click on connectors, manage connectors. And from here, you want to choose browse connectors. And then from here, you want to find ElevenLabs. Then you want to click on setup next to it. Then add connection. And from here, you want to choose ElevenLabs display name and then your ElevenLabs API key. So you can click on this get key and it will redirect you to ElevenLabs. And from here, you can copy your key if you have one. If you don't have one, you just need to click on create key. And then you want to gain access to those settings. So if you want to text to speech, you want to access this. And then you can name your key and then click on create key. Then make sure to copy this key and paste it in Lovable. I'm gonna name it like test. And then in bottom right corner, you want to click on create button. And now your ElevenLabs should be connected. So it's enabled, and this is how you can connect ElevenLabs to Lovable. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.